I will run, I will climb.
My dear second grade students, welcome back to the online classes. Okay, listen. Last class we completed the first lesson, that is page number 7, counting uncountable nouns. Now we are clear about the counting uncountable nouns, isn't it? So today take page number 8 in your GK book. Types of houses. Okay, types of houses. What is my houses? Our home. The place where we live is called houses. The place where we live is called houses. Why we need house? To protect us from animals or enemies. We built house. Okay, we protect house to protect us from enemies, animals, etc. Okay, so all of them have house. In this land, no one is without house, isn't it? Yeah. Seema, leave the questions. Look carefully at the pictures of different types of houses, then fill in the blanks given below. So listen, Ma, there are different types of houses. Some people have big house, some people have small house. Okay, so we will see the different types of houses. See the first one, Seema, or this castle, a castle. Okay, castle. So castle means, see, you can enter this house by walking over a short bridge. Can you see on short bridge? What is this name? Drawbridge. Okay, you can enter this house by walking over a short bridge. This is the castle. This is a one type of house. Okay, you can enter in this house by using over a short bridge called drawbridge. Okay, next one, a houseboat. It floats on a river or a lake. It floats on a river or a lake. It floats on a river or a lake. It's called a houseboat. So the next one is caravan. So the same like house, but it move from one place to another. In the cinema shoot, they will use like this house. Okay, it's a caravan. Okay, it's not a car or anything, bus or anything, but here you can move from one place to another. Okay, it has all the facilities of home. The next one is an apartment building. In the apartment building is a tall building. These more families are in one apartment building. Okay, 2 or 3, no, 4 or 5, 6 or 10. Okay, families will be live in the same building. This is an apartment building. Then a skyscraper is also same. It's a tall building. Here also 4 or 5 families live together. Okay. Then the next one is hut. Okay, hut. What is this? Hut. Hut means small house with a roof made of straw. It's a small house made with straw. Okay. Then the next one is an igloo. Igloo is made of ice cubes. It's made of ice cubes or ice blocks. Okay, ice block or ice blocks. Okay, or snow. The next one is a bungalow. Bungalow is a large house in which it contains garden and garage. Garage means the place. That garage means it's a place for car parking. Garage means the place for car parking. The next one is a house on stilts. A house on stilts is made of what? Wood. Okay, wooden materials. Okay. Then see what is meant by tent. What is meant by tent? It's made of cloth or canvas. Okay, it is used in a desert. This is a temporary house. The next one is a tree house. It is built in the branches of the tree. So different types of, what are different types of house? A castle. We can enter this house by over a short bridge called drawbridge. Then it floats on houseboat, floats on river or lake. The next one is a caravan. It's a moving house. It's a tall apartment building is a tall building where 2 or 3 families or more families will live together. Tent is a temporary house. It's made of cloth or canvas. Then tree house. The tree house is built in the branches of the tree. Skyscraper is same as of apartment. Is a tall building where more families live together. Then a hut. It's made of roof of straws. Then roof made of straw. Then igloo. It's made of ice cubes or snow or ice blocks. Bangla. And it's a garage and a garden. The last one is a house on stilts. Shall we do the exercise now? How the stilts is made of wood. Okay, wooden poles. So listen, the first one. See, read the question. Look carefully at the pictures of different types of houses, then fill in the given below. The first question, a house on dash is built on wooden poles. A house on, what's the answer? Stilts, okay, yes. T-I-L-T-S. Once again, yes, T-I-L-T-S, stilts. S-T-I-L-T-S, stilts. Okay, house on stilts is built on the wooden poles. A house on stilts is built on the wooden poles. S-T-I-L-T-S is built on the wooden poles. See the second question. A dash is a small house with a roof made of straw. Roof made of straw. What's the answer, ma? A dash is a small house with a roof made of straw. A hut. H-U-T. Once again I will tell H-U-T. 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 Hut. Okay. So stilts is built on the wooden poles. Hut is made of roof of straws. The third one, a dash is built from blocks of ice or snow. What is the answer, ma? An igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Okay, igloo is built from blocks of ice or snow. Igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Okay, then the fourth one. A dash floats on a river or a lake. River on a lake, a houseboat. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T, houseboat. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T, houseboat. H-O-U-S-E-B-O-A-T, houseboat. The fifth one, dash is a house made of cloth or canvas. I told you it is used in deserts. A tent. Okay, A-T-E-N-T, tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Then sixth one, a dash is built on the branches of a tree. Branches of a tree, answer a tree house. T-R-E-E-H-O-U-S-E, tree house. The seventh one, dash is a large house with a garden and a garage. A dash is a large house with a garden and a garage. Garden and a garage means what's our answer, ba? Sir, answer A, bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. Then eighth one, you can enter a dash by walking over a short bridge called drawbridge. What's the answer? You can enter a house over a short bridge called drawbridge. Castle. Enter a castle, right? C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. C-A-S-T-L-E, castle. So page number 8 over. Once again I read this. A house on stilts is built on wooden poles. Okay, next one. A house is a small house with a Sorry, hut is a small house with a roof made of straw. Third one, an igloo is built from blocks of ice or snow. The fourth one, a houseboat floats on a river or a lake. Fifth one, a tent is a house made of cloth or canvas. It is usually used in deserts. Sixth one, a tree house is built on the branches of a tree. Seventh one, a bungalow is a large house with a garden and a garage. Eighth one, you can enter a castle by walking over a short bridge called drawbridge. Okay. See the next one. Take the next page. A dash is a house on a wheel that you can drive from place to place. So what's the answer? Ravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. What's the answer, ma? C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Then dash is a very, very tall building. Very, very tall building. Skyscraper. 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 If you can't see the spelling means children, please see here and write. Okay. A dash is a very, very tall building, skyscraper. Okay. Two types of houses where lots of families may stay together. What are the building? Skyscraper. 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 And apartment building. APART. Apartment. MENT. Building. BUILDING. Apartment building. So a caravan is a house on the wheel that you can drive from place to place. Tenth one, a skyscraper is a very, very tall building. Two types of house where lot of families may stay together, skyscraper and apartment building. Then three types of houses that can be moved from place to place. What's the answer? Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Caravan. C-A-R-A-V. Caravan. Then houseboat. Houseboat. Houseboat means it floats on a river or a lake. Okay. Tent means it's a temporary house made of cloth or canvas. Then caravan means it's like a bus. It moves from one place to another. So see students here, paste and draw a picture of your house. If you want to paste means paste or draw your house here. Otherwise you draw your house here. Okay, activity. Paste or draw a picture of your house. So next class, next Friday we will see. See the next one. Take page number 10. Multiplication. Take page number 10. Multiplication. Okay. Listen. Look at the picture of Ria and Sriyan's birthday party. Then draw and count as given below and color the picture. Okay. First one. Draw 6 candles on each cake. How many candles are there now? So 6 candles. So draw 1, 2, 3, 4, draw here, 5, 6. 6 candles here. Then draw 6 candles on each cake. So here also we're supposed to draw 1, 2, take your pencil and draw. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 candles, here 6 candles. So how many candles? So count it, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's your answer here? 12. Okay. Then draw 2 stars on each party hat. How many stars are there in all? 2 stars on each party hat. So this is the party hat. Okay, draw 2 stars each. Okay, 2 stars in each party hat. Then count it, ma. Then how many stars are there now? So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what's your answer here? 10. Once I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next question. Draw 3 dots on each balloons. How many dots are there now? 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. How many? Draw 3 dots on each balloon. How many dots are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what's the answer here? 12. Okay, so draw 6 candles on each cake means draw 6 candles. First, draw 6 candles in one cake, draw 6 candles in another one cake, then count it. Then draw 2 stars. Okay, and each hat you draw 2 stars. Then you count and write. Then 3 dots. Can you see the dots? Then count and write. Okay. Let's see the last one. Match the pictures of the toys on the left to the number of groups on the right. Match the pictures of the toys on the left of the numbers of the groups on the right. Second one, match the pictures of the toys on the left to the number of groups on the right. See here. First, this is one group, this is one group. Okay, this is one group, this is one group. So this 2 combines one group, this 2 combines one group, this 2 combines one group, this 2 combines one group. Okay. Here how many group is there? 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 2 groups are there. 2 groups of how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. Here also 4 balloons. So you draw a line from 2 groups of 4 balloons. Okay. The answer. Then see how many group is here? 2 group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 group. So 2 group of 2. Okay, 2 groups of 2. So where is 2 groups of 2? So draw a line from the second one to C. See how many group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of how many dolls are here? 2. So draw 4 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2. First you count the group. So these 4 form the group. These 4 balls form the group. These 2 tractor forms the group. These 2 train forms the group. These 2 dolls form one group. These 2 dolls form one group. These 2 dolls form these 2. So combine. See here the first 4. So 2 groups of 4 balls. Okay, 2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 2. Then 4 groups of 2. Okay, complete it. Okay, ma. So before next class, you must complete all the things. Okay, so complete it soon. So okay da, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. So page number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, thank you.